Think you'd recognize a scam instantly? Most investors do. But today's scams don't look suspicious. They look professional. They look familiar. And in many cases, they show up at the top of your Google search results. If you manage significant assets, understanding modern cybersecurity risks is no longer optional. It's essential. I'm Amber Salzman, Director of Client Service from Capstone Financial Advisors, where we specialize in guiding high net worth families through complex financial decisions. Today, we're talking about why scams are getting smarter and what investors need to know to reduce risk. When people hear fraud, they often think of poorly written phishing emails or obvious spam calls. That's outdated. Today, fraudsters are building professional-looking websites that closely resemble legitimate financial institutions. In some cases, they're even purchasing sponsored search ads so their fake websites appear above real firms in search results. The logos look right, the language sounds right, the phone numbers connect, but to the wrong people. And when someone is acting quickly, maybe responding to what appears to be suspicious account activity, it becomes much easier to click before verifying. Interestingly, many successful scams don't rely on hacking systems. They rely on manipulating people. This is called social engineering. Fraudsters create urgency, unauthorized activity detected, immediate action required, account access will be restricted. These messages are designed to trigger fear and urgency, and when urgency increases, caution often decreases. This isn't about intelligence, it's about being human. Financial institutions invest heavily in cybersecurity systems and monitoring, but no security system can override a client voluntarily sharing login credentials or verification codes. Cybersecurity works best as a partnership. Institutions build protective infrastructure, clients stay alert, informed, and willing to pause before acting. The good news, you don't need to be a cybersecurity expert. A few practical habits could meaningfully reduce exposure. Use saved bookmarks to access financial institutions. Avoid searching when possible. Question urgency. Pressure to act immediately is often a red flag. Enable multi-factor authentication whenever available. Never share login credentials or verification codes. And when in doubt, call your advisor directly using a trusted number. Sometimes the most powerful cybersecurity tool is simply slowing down. Modern fraud is evolving, but awareness is evolving too. If something feels rushed, unfamiliar, or slightly off, pause and verify. A brief phone call could prevent long-term consequences. We regularly share educational insights to help families navigate today's environment with clarity and confidence. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.